Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid through the Gmail email service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, through the Gmail service, you can set up notifications for yourself about new orders, or you can send mailouts to users who have placed an order through Ecwid. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new orders, select Get Orders New. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your login and password to your Ecwid account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. At this point, the configuration of the Ecwid data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Select Gmail as the receiving system. Next, you need to select the Send Email action. At this stage, you need to connect your Gmail account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to enter your Google account username and password. At this stage, you need to check all the checkboxes for access. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this point, you see the Gmail fields for sending new emails. The Gmail account that you connected to ApiX-Drive will be used as the sender. In the To Email field, you can specify a variable from Ecwid that contains the email of the user who left the order. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. In this case, you fill in subject and body with the expectation that with each new order, the corresponding letter will be sent to users who made an order in Ecwid. If you want to receive notifications of new orders by email, you can enter your email manually in the To Email field. Use Enter to move to the next line. When all variables are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of a letter that will be sent to the specified email with each new order from Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. After successful sending, go to Gmail and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. This completes the setup for receiving Gmail data successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update. We select the interval for the operation of the connection, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.